Alright, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a big assortment of excavators sitting right now. If you're looking to rent anything like that. Got a Cat 336s, PC 360s, and both of those units are for sale. Beautiful machines. Beautiful. Here's a 329 that we have also. A 290 Komatsu. A couple of our hammer machines. Cat 320 in between both of those hammer machines. Here's our little 120 with the hammer. Again, if you're looking for something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Thank you, and God bless.